Our first lecture covers taxonomic classification and identification. Taxonomy is the branch of biology that deals with the classification of organisms. It divides organisms by levels of increasing specificity. The divisions are domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. There are some rules for taxonomic classification which you will be expected to know. The two-part name of an organism must always be in italics. That is, the genus species name of an organism must be italicized. The genus name is always written first. The genus name must be capitalized. And the species name is never capitalized. Domain is the least specific level of classification. There are three domains: bacteria, archaea, and eukaryote. Domain archaea. Kingdom archaeobacteria. Archaea are single-celled prokaryotic organisms. Prokaryotes do not have a nucleus. They were discovered in volcanic hot springs. They generally inhabit extreme environments. They often exist as mutualistic or commensalistic organisms. There are no known parasitic or pathogenic archaea. So unlike bacteria, archaea will not make you sick. Enzymes in archaea are used in sewage treatment and biotechnology, and most archaea cannot be cultured in a lab. Domain bacteria, kingdom eubacteria. They are single-celled prokaryotes. Bacteria are divided into gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Gram-positive have thick cell walls that will turn purple when stained. Gram-negative bacteria have thin cell walls that turn pink when stained. Most bacteria can be placed into three groups based on their shape. Cocci are spherical, so Streptococcus pneumoniae causes pneumonia. Bacilli are rod-shaped. Clostridium botulinum causes botulism and is the active ingredient in Botox. Spirala are spiral-shaped. Helicobacter pylori are gram-negative bacteria, which attack the stomach lining and cause peptic ulcers. On the right, we can see images of what the cocci, bacilli, and spirals look like. Eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are cells that have membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotes can be divided into four major kingdoms: animals, plants, fungi, and protists. A protist is any eukaryotic organism that does not fall into animal, plant, or fungus. They are generally microscopic. Ciliophora use cilia to move around. Example, paramecium. Algae are photosynthetic protists. Flagellates are protists that have a flagella for locomotion. Amoebae are protists that move by changing their shape. And slime molds are amoeba that reproduce using spores. Fungi are heterotrophic. They are decomposers. They reproduce with spores. The typical fungi that we will see are black bread molds at the top, yeasts, truffles, and morels, and mushrooms, toadstools, and rusts. Plants can be divided into four groupings. We have the bryophytes, which would be mosses and liverworts. They don't have a vascular system, no true leaves or roots. Then we have the ferns, which have a root system, but a non-woody stem, and reproduce using spores, like the bryophytes. We have the coniferous trees, the conifers and pines. They are going to reproduce using cones. And we have the flowering plants and grasses. The next phyla, we have animal kingdom that are divided into several phyla. We have porifera, are sponges. Cnidaria are coral and jellyfish. Echinodermata are sea stars. Nematoda are roundworms. Platyhelminthes are flatworms and tapeworms. Annelida are segmented worms, like the earthworms. Mollusca are snails, clams, and octopi. Arthropoda are crustaceans, insects, and arachnids. Chordata are mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish. Chordates are what we're going to talk about most. They are going to mostly be classified as vertebrates. Right? Mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians all have vertebrae. Now, if we look at the taxonomy of humans compared to chimpanzees, we see that both are eukaryotes, both are animals, both are chordates, both fall under mammals, both are primates, and both have the family Hominidae. Where they diverge is that humans are in the genus Homo and the species Sapiens, and chimpanzees are in the genus Pan. Now, if we look at the human evolution phylogenetic tree, we can see that humans evolving from that ancestor, we can see chimpanzees all the way up on the left, and we see that branch that went through the Australopithecus and up into the Homo erectus, Homo sapiens, Homo habilis. One of the things that you should notice is that Homo neanderthalis is not an ancestor of Homo sapiens. Neanderthals were actually a relative that we evolved from the same common ancestor.